Hey, what's going on everyone? Brian from Drywall Nation here. Welcome to another educational series in partnership with Level 5 Tools. In this series, we're going to be going over everything you need to know about flat boxes from start to finish. Let's get into it. In this first overview video, we're going to talk about what is a flat box and how do they work, what types of flat boxes are available, what's a flat box handle, how does the brake work, and what types of handles are available. So a flat box is a tool that's designed to simultaneously apply joint compound to the wall while feathering the edges of your seam to a precise crown. It's designed to make your drywall life that much easier and for your jobs to be completed that much faster. So how does it work? Well, using your pump and filler nozzle attachment, fill the box with joint compound through the opening at the front. Once you have your handle attached to the back, as you start moving your way down the wall or ceiling, you're applying pressure to the back pressure plate, which forces the mud through the opening. There's an adjustable blade tensioner that regulates the amount of joint compound that is applied. The higher the number, the less compound applied. Now let's talk about what types of flat boxes are available. Almost every major brand offers various sizes, most commonly ranging from 7 inches all the way up through to 14. So we have our 7-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, 14-inch box, and most often they'll offer them in 2 different sizes. So we have our standard box or classic, and then we have our mega box, which offers 50% more capacity. So you can go a lot further when you're running your flat box. They're also available in hinged or unhinged designs, and that's exactly what it sounds like. If it's hinged, your pressure plate isn't removable. If it's unhinged, it just pops right out and it's easy to clean. So what exactly is a flat box handle? Well, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's the handle you use to control your flat box when it's pressed against the wall or ceiling. It operates by way of a pinch brake. So if I pinch this brake, it locks our head in place so the box can't move. And if I let go of that brake, our box can now swivel on the handle. They're available in fixed length as well as extendable, like the one I'm holding in my hand. And they're offered in all kinds of various sizes, so you can reach ceiling heights upwards of 10 to 12 feet. So I hope you enjoyed that brief overview. For more tips and tricks about how to run a flat box, check out the rest of our flat box series with Level 5 Tools. Thanks for watching.